Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mentor's Matrix. Today I've got an exciting full body workout that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. No equipment needed, just your determination and a little bit of space. Staying fit and healthy doesn't require a gym membership or expensive equipment. With a fitness workout at home, you can achieve your fitness goals in the comfort of your own space. Home workouts are versatile and can be tailored to any fitness level, from beginners to advanced athletes. They often incorporate bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges, which are highly effective for building strength and endurance. Additionally, at-home workouts save time and provide the convenience of fitting exercise into your schedule without the need to travel. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, tone muscles, or simply stay active, home workouts offer the flexibility and efficiency to make fitness a seamless part of your daily routine. Plus, the comfort of your home allows you to focus entirely on your workout, making it easier to stay consistent and motivated. Fitness workouts at home offer a unique blend of convenience and effectiveness, making it easier than ever to stay active and healthy. With no need for fancy equipment or a gym membership, you can perform a wide range of exercises that target all major muscle groups, from strength training and cardio to flexibility and balance. Home workouts provide the flexibility to exercise at your own pace and on your own schedule, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. Moreover, they foster a sense of self-discipline and motivation as you take control of your fitness journey. Whether you're aiming to boost your energy, improve your mood, or achieve specific fitness milestones, home workouts empower you to reach your goals in the comfort and privacy of your own space. In an era where convenience and adaptability are paramount, fitness workouts at home have revolutionized the way we approach health and wellness. Gone are the days when a gym membership was a prerequisite for achieving peak physical fitness. Today, your living room, backyard, or even a small apartment space can transform into a powerhouse of fitness potential. The beauty of home workouts lies in their versatility. You can seamlessly switch between yoga sessions that enhance your flexibility, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that torches calories, and strength training exercises that build muscle, all without stepping out your front door. This flexibility not only caters to your specific fitness goals but also integrates effortlessly into your daily routine, eliminating the time constraints and commuting hassles associated with gym visits. Furthermore, the personalized nature of home workouts fosters a deeper connection with your fitness journey, allowing you to create a tailored environment that inspires and motivates. With an abundance of online resources, virtual trainers, and workout apps at your fingertips, the world of fitness is literally at your doorstep. Embrace the power of at-home workouts and discover how this dynamic approach can transform your health, elevate your energy levels, and fit seamlessly into the rhythm of your life. Home workouts offer a convenient and effective way to stay fit without needing a gym. With just a small space and minimal equipment, you can perform a variety of exercises that target your entire body. From bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups to yoga and Pilates, home workouts provide the flexibility to tailor your routine to your specific goals. The convenience of working out at home means you can fit exercise into your schedule effortlessly, making it easier to stay consistent and motivated. Plus, the privacy of your own home allows you to focus entirely on your fitness journey, creating a personalized and empowering experience.